Hi there, students. De rigueur. De rigueur is an adjective that comes from French. If something is de rigueur, it's defined as essential or necessary by fashion or etiquette or protocol or social custom. So for a skinhead, Dr. Martens boots are de rigueur. You can't be a skinhead if you haven't got a pair of Dr. Martens. Yeah? The protocol of being a skinhead requires you to have some Doc Martens. It seems that at least one tattoo is de rigueur for any young person today. Yeah? It's something that is essential for you to be fashionable. Without it, you're out of the wave. In the late 60s, smashing a guitar on stage was de rigueur for any famous rock band. He was wearing the de rigueur suit when he went for an interview. So fashion or social custom says that you must wear a suit when you go to a job interview. De rigueur. The hippie had the de rigueur long hair. To be studying English is de rigueur for any upcoming business executive. So if something is de rigueur, it's necessary if you want to look cool. You're going to look bad without it. People are going to look at you weirdly. Yeah? He's not really that cool. So any fashion accessory or item or you must have or action you must do to follow the social protocols of a group. He bowed to the Queen, as is de rigueur. Gold chains are de rigueur for rappers. Face masks are de rigueur at the moment, even if they're not required by law. Yeah? So if you want to be one of the gang, if you want to be a member of the group, then you've got to do this. It's de rigueur. So, question, how formal is this? Well, I'd probably give it 6, maybe 6.5 in formality. But notice, it sounds terribly posh. So if you want to sound posh, this is a great word. Yeah, these imported French phrases are great if you want to sound posh. I think informally in the pub, necessary, required by custom, the fashion, something like that, something necessary. So, as I said, this adjective comes from French, rigueur, required, and de, of, so of requirement, required, necessary. Yeah? I think if something is de rigueur, maybe you're not going to be prosecuted if you don't have it. You're not going to be arrested by the police, but you're going to be seen very badly. People are going to look at you and think you're strange if you don't have it. So that's de rigueur. I better now finish the video with the de rigueur ending. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. De rigueur, French and English.